Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a collab and it's called Timeless Elegance Decor, Open Collab, January 2021. So the collab is hosted by Really Good Living and the co-hosts are iSTYLEMYSTYLE and Chelles Glam Home. So I will be sure to link their channels below along with the playlist. So let's get into the video. So here we have a piece that's very precious to me. It was given to me by a friend a little while back, and it resembles a Chanel bottle. And the difference is that this bottle here in this picture, in this photo, says anointed, which means a lot to me. It was hand done, and it to me is timeless. So this timeless piece that's very precious to me is one of the first pieces that I created, and I hand beat it. I actually duplicated it from something my grandmother gave me many years ago when I was growing up. And so this piece here is very timeless to me. So now this cross here has been with me for many years, okay, and it does have gems. It's crystal. It has the stand on the bottom that holds the cross up. To me, it's priceless, it's timeless, and it's precious. I hope you enjoy these precious pieces that are absolutely special to me. And I really enjoy collabing with these beautiful ladies here on YouTube. And if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an awesome day, guys.